FIFA World Cup has been started in a Muslim country, Qatar, from 21st November 2022 and it will remain till 18th December 2022. Some interesting facts about Qatar FIFA World Cup 2022. It is the first soccer World Cup event taking place in Middle East, participating in it 32 teams of the world. All other football World Cups had been played in mid-year, but this is the only World Cup is being played in winter. Another interesting fact that it is the most expensive FIFA World Cup. As per estimate, Qatar has spent more than $200 billion on it. To host the World Cup event, 8 stadiums have been built. Among them, only one stadium revamped, while other 7 stadiums constructed newly in the country. It is expected that a record number of visitors have started arriving to see these matches. Qatar is a small country. It is very easy for visitors to commute from one place to another. Host cities like Doha, Losail, Al-Wakra and Al-Rihan are located in close proximity to one another, so it is not a big problem for travelers or visitors to get access to all venues. Qatar receives high temperature during day. To tackle the issue, Qatar has fully air-conditioned all its 8 stadiums to provide comfortable environment to viewers and players. In Asia, first FIFA World Cup was played in Japan and South Korea in 2002, and it is the second time this prestigious competition is going on in Asia at Qatar. The astonishing upsets in the beginning of FIFA World Cup 2022 by Saudi Arabia and Japan, defeating their rivals and hot tournament favorites, Argentina and Germany respectively. But what attracts the world focus is the characteristics of Islam rainbowing this mega event of FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. Beginning with the recitation of Holy Quran verses by a disabled Qari Ghanim Almuftah, FIFA World Cup 2022 has bridged up the dividing world entangled with the clash of civilizations, tying them together through marvelous teachings of Islam. The mindful teachings of Dr. Zakir Naik, depicting the true picture of Islam, emboldened many non-Muslims to ask for the clarity of many ambiguities emerging in their minds, and after getting satisfaction, the reality of Islam being exposed to the world in a true sense. The decency and morality visible in the FIFA World Cup 2022 led the world to believe that football is a really noble game of the cultured people. During FIFA World Cup match 2022, man flying with the drone camera holding kalma was delivering the message to free humanity from all type of slavery to one that is of Allah. The other minor cultural events going side by side stamped FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 as the event of all mega events.